Good morning, guys. Welcome to math class. Let's continue with our review. Factors and multiples. This is a grid. This is a grid. Look what it says here. Draw all the ways to represent 32. Then write the factors. Okay, so first of all, we need to find the combinations of factors that equals 32. Example, 1 times 32 equals 32. So this is the first step. I need to find a combination of factors that equals 32. Another combination. What about 2? What about 2? What about 2, class? Multiplication, timetables.
Yes.
32 is divisible by 2, right? 2 times
Yes.
16. 2 times 16.
We need to copy that.
No, I need your attention. 2 times 16 equals 32. What about table of 3? 3 times 10?
30.
30. 3 times 11?
33.
So, no, it's not divisible by 3. What about by 4? Table of 4. 4
times 6 or 4 times 8.
4 times 8, 32. Okay, so we got another pair. Another one? Is there another one? 5? No, right?
No.
Because finishing 2
No.
is not
No.
divisible by 5. What about by 3, by 6?
Yeah.
6 times,
Yes.
6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times
4.
6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6, 36. So, is it? No, it's not. 7. 7 times 5. Well, actually 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. So it's not divisible by 7. By 8, we have it here, 8 times 4. Remember that in multiplication, the order of the factor does not change the product. It's the same 4 times 8 and 8 times 4. But in multiplication, what happens if we represent the multiplication? Change the order of the factors. Now, times 9, 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 18 times 3, 27. 8 times 4, 9 times 4, 36. So, no. So it means these one are the only factors that that 32 has. Now, we have to represent this. The first one, I need to draw all the ways. No, I need your attention. In the exam, you're not gonna draw because it's not possible. But I will give you.
I think because
I will give you the model.
Miss, because it's not possible to draw in an exam.
But I will give you.
The only thing that you can do is, for example, select.
Exactly. You can type something.
You can type, you can do things, but not draw.
Not draw.
It's not a possible thing.
So let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because the first the first pair of factor here is 1 times 32. So it means that I am going to have a figure with one row. This one is a row. Es como un renglón. Row es como decir el renglón. Es horizontal from left to right. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. I am going to draw a line here, line, because this is my model. This is the first way I am representing 32. And I color this. So if I in the exam, if I ask you in the exam, write the factors of the model. What are the factors of this model? What are the factors?
1
and 32.
32.
1 and 32,
1,
exactly.
32.
I have one row here and I have 32.
What is 32?
I have 32 tiles here in this row. So it's 1 and 32. This one is what you are gonna find in the exam. In the exam, I will give you the model. You have to write the factors. It's very easy. The only things you have to do is to count. So we represent this one. Let's work with the second one. In this case, it says 2. So I am going to work in 2 rows. And the second number tells me 16. So I am going to count 16, this case. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I stop there. Now I am going to draw a rectangle, but with 2 rows, because that's what my multiplication here, this is what it told me here, 2 times 16. So here is 16, and this one is 2. 2 times 16. 2 times 16. Oh, another observation. Diego, what are you doing? Another observations that I have to make here is that if I show you this model, the blue one, and I said write the factors, that if you write 16 first times 2, you got a mistake.
Miss copy.
No, pay attention, please. 16 times 2 here, you got a mistake. What is a mistake? That you have to write the number of rows first, and the number of rows is 2, and then the number of columns. Columns go from up to down. So in this case, what are the factors of this model? 2 number of rows times 16 number of columns. I can also, if I want to represent this multiplication the other way, 16 times 2, so it will be 16 rows down, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now, this one is 16 rows times 2 columns, okay? That's the difference. This is the difference. This one is this one. 16 has 16 rows times 2 columns. Did you get that part? It's not the same. If you are going to make a drawing, it's not the same. 2 times 16, that's 16 times 2. That the drawings change. Okay, the drawings change. So I need you to pay close attention to that, because drawing change. So in this case, it's 2 times 16. The next one we have is 4. So we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8. So I make the rectangle. What are the factors? 4 here, 8 at the bottom, at the top. This is 4 times 8. Okay? 4 times 8. You got it? So here, what are you gonna write? You have to write the factors from least to greatest, separated by a comma. The first factor is 1, comma. What is the next factor? I am working with this one, from least to greatest. Then 2. Are you working with me? All the microphones are off.
Yes.
What is the next factor? I'm
4.
working with this. 4 exactly, comma. Then
8.
8. Then
6.
10. But we don't have 10 here. We have 1, 32, 16, 2, 4, and 8. Not 10. I'm working with this. So that's why I am working very slow, because I need you to understand. From where I get the number? 16, and the last one?
32.
32. Yes. I have 2 factors per model. 3 models equals 6 factors. I have the factors here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It works like this. Okay, this one was a topic in our fourth partial. I know that probably we saw this in the first weeks. That's why we are reviewing another one. 18. 18 factors. Factors, guys. Get me factors that equals 18. Factors are the numbers I multiply.
2 times 8.
Okay, 2 times 8, 18. Another one. What did you do in Sebastian?
Miss,
Yeah,
2 times 8.
3 times
it's the
6.
same.
3 times 6.
3 times 6, 18.
8 times 2.
8 times 2 is the same as 2 times 8, are the same factors. Just change the order. But we miss one. Any
What
number has 1 as a factor. 1 times?
1 times
1
18.
times 18.
Times 18, exactly. Now, what are we gonna do now? Represent. We're gonna represent this one. So we are gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have to count until 18. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now I draw the figure. And this is 1 times 18. Second one.
Yes.
Okay, second one, I got 2 here.
You need to.
So 1
And then 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here, 2.
2.
Now I draw. That's why in some pages you sent me into a Schoology, I make some comments because I saw some of these one not exactly as the factor requires. Some of these models were written al azar. miraban que en la clase se había hecho un rectángulo. So yo vi en los libros que revisé que, coloreaban, ok, vamos a colorear un rectángulo aquí, así, un rectángulo así, no importa cuántos tengan. Solo lo hacían y lo coloreaban. Y no era así, y yo puse esas observaciones en los comentarios de sus asignaciones. Porque el rectángulo no, usted dice, ahí hicieron un rectángulo, lo voy a hacer así grande, otro chiquito. No, tiene que contar. Porque el rectángulo representa una multiplicación. No lo va a hacer como usted quiera. ¿Ok? So be careful with that. And the last one is 3 times 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And down 1, you need to count the first one, right? 1, 2, 3. Now, we make the drawing. And this one is 3 times 6. Now, factors here at the top. What are the factors? Remember, factors from least to greatest. From least to greatest. What is the first factor? We're working with this one. What is the first factor?
1,
1,
18, 2,
1, 2,
8,
8. Then
3,
check 3, but 3 is less than 8. And they are
6,
in order.
6,
You say 8, 3, 6, 8,
8, and 18.
and 18. See, the numbers, the factors are written from least to greater, de menor a mayor. This is the correct way, from least to greatest, okay? So again, I am going to repeat this information. If you have this one, 4, 5, and 6, 2, and 3. If you have this, what are the factors of this model? What are the factors of this model? This, the last one I draw here. Factors of this.
3 and
3 and
3 and 7.
And what is the
3 and
multiplication? What is
3
the
times
multiplication?
7. 3 times
3
7.
times 11.
3 times
3 times
11.
7.
7, I have 6. But 3 times 6, 3 times 6 is this one. Because 3 is the number of rows, is the ones you set first. 3 times 6. What about this one? 6 times 3, exactly. 6 times 3, because you say rows. You mention the rows first, and here there are 6 rows, 4, 5, and 6. So it's 6 times 1, 2, and 3. Okay. The product is the same. There are 18 tiles here and 18 tiles here. But at the moment you represent the fraction, sorry, at the moment you represent the multiplication, the drawing change, okay? What happened if I represent this one? This is 1 times 18. What about 18 times 1? It will be different.
18.
Yeah, but if I tell you represent 18 times 1, oh, so you have to do the line down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. This is 18 times 1.
Yes, your microphone is off.
So this one is 18 times 1, and this is 1 times 18. So do you understand the difference? You get that? It's the same product.
Yes, miss.
the same product, because in multiplication there is a property, commutative property says the order of the factor does not change the product. El orden de los factores no altera el producto. 1 times 18 equals 18, 18 times 1 equals 18. It's the same. Okay, one more. 21. We always have to start by 1. 1 times
21.
21, exactly. 1 times
1.
21 equals 21.
3 times 7.
3 times 7. Is there another combinations of factors that equals 21? Times 2, no. 2 times 10, 20. Times 4,
No.
4
no.
times 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. No. Times 5, no.
6. 4 times
6 times 3, 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4,
7.
24.
7
7
times
is
3
there.
no.
Is there. 7 times 3 is there. 3 times 7. So it's the only, these one are the only pairs of factors that
I finished in 7.
equals 21. Okay, so the first one is 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 21 there. Now, because it's one line, it's one row. This is one row. If I have it 21 times 1, so I have to draw down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, onto 21. 21 times 1, but it's not 21 times 1, it's 1 times 21. The second one is
3 times 7.
okay, so I count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And 3.
3, 2, and 3. Because this is the first one. This is 1. I need to count them. There it is.
Yeah.
So now we have to write here the factors in from least to greatest. What is the least factor? 1,
3,
3,
7, and 21.
and 21. There we have it. It's very easy. Okay. So when you're in your exam,
Yes.
in your exam, you're gonna have exercises like this. I can give you a model like this. What are the factors of this model?
4.
2. So in your exam, you're gonna have something like this. Let me erase a part of this. In your exam, you're gonna have this. Okay, and I'm gonna have lines here. This times this. I think maybe I'm gonna write equal here. And you're gonna represent this. This one is the figure. So what is the multiplication? According to this model.
2 times 2.
2 times 2, yes. There are 2 here, 1 and 2. These 2. And here, 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Equals
4.
4. You count all of them. You count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the total. If you don't know the table, you can count the tiles. Usted cuenta los cuadritos. For example, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So what is this multiplication? Oh, it's 1, 2, 3. 3 times 7 equals 21. So your exams has exercises like this. Remember that you are not gonna draw. You have to write the factors to the given exercise. Okay, that's what you have to do. Another one, for example, this one. What are the factors of this model?
3 and
Yeah,
6.
oh, pay attention. 3 and 6.
Yeah.
But 3 times 6 equals 18.
Only 3
3 times?
2.
times
Yeah.
3.
Okay, but 3
But
is
no.
like this, times 2, like this. This is 3 times 2. You have to be
3 times
careful
3. 3
again.
times 3.
No, it's not 3 times 3. Sebastian, it's not
3
3.
times 1.
No. I have 2 here. This one is 2 times 3. And this one?
3 times 2.
3 times 2. 3
It
times
must-
2. The product is the same, but the model is not the same. Change direction. So that's why you have to be careful about this. Okay, guys? Thank you for your attention.